Imagine walking into a courtroom where AI predicts case outcomes with uncanny accuracy, or a law office where your digital assistant drafts contracts in minutes. While this might sound like a scene from a futuristic sci-fi movie, it's actually happening today. Artificial intelligence is infiltrating the legal industry, revolutionizing how justice is served and legal work is done. But as with any technological advancement, with great power comes great responsibility. So, what does AI's legal revolution mean for lawyers, clients, and the justice system as a whole? Stick around because we're diving deep into AI's role in reshaping the legal landscape. The legal industry has always been seen as traditional, methodical, and slow to change. For centuries, law has been built around human interpretation, negotiation, and decision-making. Legal professionals spend countless hours poring over documents, conducting research, and drafting complex legalese. The complexities of legal work have often been a barrier to efficiency, as lawyers juggle time-consuming tasks with the need for precision and accuracy. However, this traditional structure is being challenged by the rapid rise of artificial intelligence. AI is entering legal offices and courtrooms, promising increased efficiency, reduced costs, and even more equitable outcomes. The potential benefits are significant, but they also bring challenges. How does AI interpret the nuances of human language, morality, or intent? Can it replace human empathy and judgment in legal matters? These are critical questions as AI begins its takeover of the legal industry. Perhaps the most immediate impact of AI in the legal realm is seen in research and document review. Traditionally, legal research involves sifting through vast amounts of case law, precedents, and legal literature, a time-consuming and tedious process. AI algorithms, however, can parse through these documents at lightning speed. By leveraging natural language processing, AI tools can identify relevant cases, statutes, and legal principles within seconds, enabling lawyers to focus more on analysis and strategy. Document review, particularly in litigation and due diligence, is another area where AI shines. AI systems can sift through millions of pages to identify key documents and patterns, drastically reducing the time and cost associated with manual reviews. This not only speeds up the process, but also increases accuracy, as AI can identify details that might be overlooked by human reviewers. However, this also raises questions about privacy and the potential for data breaches, emphasizing the need for robust cybersecurity measures. Contracts are the backbone of any legal transaction, from mergers and acquisitions to employment agreements. Drafting and reviewing these documents require precision and attention to detail. AI-powered contract analysis tools are now capable of automating these tasks. They can flag unusual clauses, ensure compliance with legal standards, and even suggest language to mitigate risks. This automation reduces the workload on legal teams and speeds up negotiations. Moreover, AI can help manage contracts throughout their lifecycle. By monitoring contract performance and compliance, AI systems can alert parties to upcoming deadlines or potential breaches. This proactive approach reduces the risk of disputes and enhances the efficiency of contract management. However, it also shifts some responsibility from human oversight to machines, raising ethical and legal questions about accountability and liability. One of the most fascinating applications of AI in law is predictive analytics. AI systems can analyze historical data from past cases to predict the outcomes of current legal battles. By identifying patterns and correlating factors, AI can estimate the likelihood of success and inform legal strategies. For instance, an AI might suggest whether to settle a case or proceed to trial based on similar cases' outcomes. Predictive analytics can also help judges and lawyers make more informed decisions, potentially leading to fairer outcomes. However, there's a risk of over-relying on these predictions, which might not fully account for the unique circumstances of each case. Moreover, if AI systems are trained on biased data, they might perpetuate existing inequalities in the justice system. Ensuring transparency and fairness in these algorithms is crucial to their responsible use. AI is also making waves in legal education and client interaction through virtual assistants. These AI-powered tools can assist lawyers by managing schedules, reminding them of deadlines, and even drafting simple documents or emails. For clients, virtual assistants can provide quick access to legal information, answer frequently asked questions, and help them navigate legal processes. In legal education, AI tools can offer personalized learning experiences, adapting to students' strengths and weaknesses to enhance their understanding of complex legal concepts. By simulating courtroom scenarios or interactive case studies, AI can provide a more engaging and effective learning environment. However, the integration of AI in education must be carefully managed to ensure that ethical considerations and critical thinking are not overshadowed by technology. Despite the promising applications of AI in the legal industry, its integration raises significant ethical and regulatory challenges. The use of AI in legal decision-making brings questions about accountability, transparency, and bias. Who is responsible if an AI system makes an erroneous or biased recommendation? How can AI systems be made transparent so that users understand their workings and limitations? Additionally, the regulatory framework governing AI in law is still evolving. Ensuring that AI complies with existing legal standards and ethical guidelines is crucial. Policymakers must balance innovation with the protection of individual rights and the integrity of the legal system. As AI continues to influence the legal landscape, ongoing dialogue between technologists, legal professionals, and regulators will be essential to address these challenges. AI is undoubtedly transforming the legal industry, offering opportunities for greater efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility. However, its integration must be approached with caution, considering the ethical and regulatory implications. As we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, it's essential to strike a balance between embracing innovation and safeguarding justice's core principles. If you found this exploration of AI in law intriguing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into how technology is reshaping our world. We'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you think AI will impact the future of the legal industry? Let us know in the comments below.